bitch. Hi guys, welcome back to my canal. Honestly guys, I'm so fucking drunk right now. I drank some tequila shots, like it was a party of fucking one. Honestly, I was already drunk and I was like, you know what, this is like the perfect time to film a drunk makeup challenge. So here we are today, here we are right now. You guys are seeing my drunk You guys are seeing my drunk makeup challenge. Also, I wanted to say I'm sorry for not uploading before Christmas. And I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Thank you so much to subscribing to my channel and staying subscribed. It means a lot to me. You guys have no fucking idea. I really hope that 2018 is filled with positivity, self-love, and just fucking good vibes, man. I hope you guys enjoy this fucking messy ass fucking video and my drunk ass self. But yeah. This is my drunk ass self. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I'm talking a little bit lower than normal, it's because it's like, what time is it?
12 o'clock midnight.
It's already midnight and my parents are asleep downstairs, so I don't want to make too much noise, but bitch, I'm drunk as fuck. And I just thought that like it'd be a good time to get back on YouTube and do a drunk makeup tutorial challenge. Bitch, I'm already drunk. Before I get to the makeup tutorial, I did want to take one shot with you guys to celebrate the New Year's. So wherever you are, take a shot with me if you're 21 and older. But yeah, let's do this. I don't want to look like an alcoholic, but I did not drink this whole bottle in one night because I would be fucking dead. It was like up to here, maybe like up to this red little line, so I drank that whole fucking culito de Jose Cuervo. So we're gonna do one last big ass shot, so let's do this. Oh girl, that is a lot. This shit will get me fucked up. I got my limon half eaten, but you know, it's ready for me. And then my chaser, which is water, because tequila got me fucked up, man. Now, honestly, I've never done my makeup drunk, but we'll see how it goes. Cheers, bitch. Let's not babysit this shit. Even though I'm morenita, like you can tell my face gets hella red when I'm drunk. What the fuck am I doing with my life? It's fucking midnight and I'm filming a drunk makeup challenge. Like, what the fuck? So I'm gonna start off with my foundation. I think I'm gonna start... What? I think I'm gonna use the Milani Perfect and Conceal Mascara. What, bitch? Get your shit together. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I haven't used this in a hot minute, so I'm not even sure if this is my right color or not. I'm gonna use my Sephora brush. This is the number 55, so... Oh shit, I didn't even do primer. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna let this sit on the brush. The primer I'm gonna use is the Veil Mineral Primer from Hourglass. Oh shit. Why am I so drunk right now? You know what? Just because I don't want to use my fingers, I'm gonna use this shit. Anyway, we're gonna go with the Sephora 55 brush with the foundation already on this. And yeah, let's do this. I really want this to turn out good, even though it's midnight, but at the same time, it's like, who gives a fuck? Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video, but we'll see. I'm listening to Gali Uchis, so if you can hear that background noise, I'm so sorry. And let's hope I don't get fucking copyrighted. We're gonna do some concealer. Of course, I'm using my Tarte Tape Shape. I don't even know why I didn't wet my beauty blender before I did this. I really don't know. Moving on to my brows, I'm gonna use my dip brow in chocolate. I ran out of my brow wiz, which I'm so fucking sad because like that's like the best product ever. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this shit. Oh fuck, I don't have any clean brushes. I'm honestly just gonna do this fast because I'm too drunk right now and I'm usually such a perfectionist, but today, like tonight, I just don't give a fuck. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god, I give up. Okay, no. No. I can salvage this. I can fucking... I'm just gonna take my NARS concealer. Okay, looks already a little bit better. One eyebrow done. I think I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow off camera because then I won't have any camera battery left, so. Alright, now that I have the other eyebrow finished, I'm gonna use my Narcissist Wanted palette. My mom actually got me this for Christmas, so shout out to you, Mom, even though you're probably so disappointed in me for getting drunk on a Thursday night at midnight, but shout out to you. I love you, Mom. This is the Narcissist Wanted palette, and it is so good. Like, it's just, the colors are so good. I'm just gonna do something simple because I honestly don't want to spend too much time on this. I really have to go pee. To go pee. I honestly don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're just gonna go for it. Honestly, it may not look like I'm drunk, but trust, fam, I'm drunk. With a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out this fucking color. Alright, now that I have the crease color, I'm just gonna take the lid color. I'm gonna take this color for the rest of my lid, so I'm really excited. Oh, bitch, that needs some Fix Plus. Like, Going back in with this brush that I used for my crease, I'm taking some of this other color and just putting it on my outer crease. I'm going to take some brow gel and set my little eyebrow hairs in place. I wish I had more alcohol so I can like drink in front of you guys, but damn, that shit's gone. We are gonna finish the rest of my eyes with this brush. I'm gonna take this color right here and just put it under my eyes. My eye's watering. Fuck. I'm gonna put some mascara. I'm just gonna use whatever the fuck mascara, so it's just gonna be this one. Alright, so for my lashes, I'm gonna use these lashes. They are... I'm gonna use these lashes. They are the Unicorn Flare lashes from Violet Voss. I'm so surprised I remember the fucking name of these lashes, cause bitch, right now I can't even remember. I can't even remember shit. My lashes are on. I can finally move on to the rest of my motherfucking face. The bronzer I'm gonna use today is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and this shit, I have to go in hella hard for this shit to show up on my face. So I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques brush. I feel like my bronzer looks so bad right now, but I just don't even care right now. Okay, I'm gonna blend everything out with this brush. This is my dual fiber brush from Sigma. So for blush, I'm gonna use this NYX blush in the shade Hamptons, and I think it's such a cute color, like, girl. I feel like this is very monochrome. Everything's just the same color, even though it doesn't look the same color, but like once it's on my skin, it kind of looks like the same color. And then of course just blending everything the fuck out. Before I move on to the exciting part, which is highlighting, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna use the Supersizer from CoverGirl, and I love the wand just cause like it's so perfect to coat your lower lashes with. Finished applying my mascara on my lower lashes. Oh my god, my eyes feel so heavy. I'm gonna move on with some highlight, and I'm gonna use the Fuego. I'm gonna use my Anastasia brush, and I'm just gonna pack on the fucking highlight. Oof, yes. We are done with the face. Honestly, I feel like this is not bad for like me being fucking drunk as hell. Like, this look is not bad. It did take me like an hour, maybe even more, just because like I got so distracted. Like, I was just dancing and I was just doing my own fucking shit. But you know what? I got it done. I got the fucking job done. Drunk as fuck. So I'm gonna set my face with a little bit of this shit. Oh fuck, I left my mouth open. That tastes fucking gross, bruh. And I'm gonna take some, honestly, like, tell me if this is fucking nasty or not, but like, I found this shit on the airport. Like, I found it on the fucking floor. And I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna grab it. And I fucking grabbed it, and some guy just like came up to me and was like, haha, your life is a fucking mess, isn't it? Ha 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 ha. I was like, bitch. Wow, I feel like this look is so monochromatic just because like I'm feeling the mauve love right now. So alright, time to let the fucking hair down. I'm hoping I don't look like a fucking bruja no more. I'm hoping I'm in focus, but yeah. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my fucking drunk makeup challenge. Honestly, I'm so drunk right now that I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video, but if I do post this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and staying tuned to my videos. Also, thank you to the new subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I honestly love when I see a new subscriber on my channel. I just fuck, I get so happy. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.